acknowledges the number of women he has quoted thus far. The importance of folk dance cannot be ignored altogether in the effort to study the culture of Talui village. It can be said to be a very significant historical source through which the life and times of our forefathers can be revisited. Ladies and gentlemen, Talui is a Tangkhul village situated in Ukhrul district of Manipur and has been in existence since the 16th century AD as per the elders of the village believed to be true. The culture of Talui village can be best understood and seen, though not all, from its folk dance, folk song. The honors of preservation and promotion of cultural activities such as folk dance, folk song and so on is vested with the Talui Resang Youth Club TRYC. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now witnessing the dance of livelihood entitled Karing Karak Fejak in the Tangkhul Naga dialect.
Music natural in the